Hi everybody, we're continuing on here. And we're going to work on our ventilation plan. So the ventilation plan would be under mechanical in our project browser. And I'm going to go and grab this level 1 HVAC floor plan for level 1. So that would be our level 1 ventilation. And I'm going to just drag and drop it right there. And we're good for that one. So that's drawing number M301. Now at level 2, let's go down and create another sheet. New sheet. Let's select that one. Okay. So this one, we'll go and grab our level 2 HVAC. And drag and drop it right here. So there's our level 2. Now I'm going to go and take a peep at these ceiling plans. These might be, yes, actually, that probably would be better suited, or either one of these. So I'm going to go with this one because it's showing ductworks and all our equipment. So depending on what you need to see on that drawing is what you should have. And then we need to go back to this one here and rename this one. Let's call this guy level 2 ventilation plan. And we'll go okay. All right. So now we have our ventilation plans done, and then we need our roof, because there's some equipment up there. So then we'll go back here into our sheets, right click, new sheet, and we're gonna call this one M400. So we'll go here and rename this to be M400. I'm a little hoarse today. Woke up and couldn't talk this morning. And then here, this will be our mechanical roof. This is going to basically show the rooftop equipment. And I believe we made that drawing as well. If not, we're going to have to create it. So where's my roof? Okay, there's my mechanical roof plan. And just drag and drop it right there. And basically all's up there is this this fan, rooftop plan. That's all that's up there for now. Okay, now moving on. Actually, you can include schedules along with water riser diagrams. Those drawings can be created. So I'm going to move on to the electrical drawings now, and then we'll have our complete set. So we basically have architectural, mechanical, structural, and now let's do the electrical. So I'm going to go into my project browser. I'm going to go ahead and create a new sheet, and I'm going to go OK. And we rename this to E100. Now this is going to be our site plan, so let me call this electrical site. We'll go OK here. Now to do the site plan, let's go up to our, let's go all the way up to architectural. This might be a better way to do this in the coordination. No, I'll need to find a site plan. So there's our site plan here. Now this drawing, I want to see if I can go here and place an electrical template site for site, but first I'm going to duplicate this view. So in our site plan view in the project browser, I'm going to duplicate this view. I'm going to rename this to electrical site plan. Now, I don't think this was in the book, but I'm going to do it, and you can get it as extra credit. So now I'm going to go down to my my view template. Let's go and see if we can find a electrical structural site. So we did not have a electrical site plan. Let me see if I can do this and see what happens. No, definitely don't want that, so I'm going to undo that. And then what we can do here, we can go into our do VV here and go down to electrical right here. So I'm going to turn on all this electrical stuff here, the equipment. That's about all we need. Let's see what we got here. Apply. Okay. So that shit, in all actuality, don't really have any electrical equipment in our model. So we will use this drawing as our site plan and go back and do like underground conduit and cable and whatever. Let me see what else I can. Nope. So we did not have a electrical site plan. Okay, but that's okay. So we're gonna leave that there. Go back to our project browser. And if I could find it, the drawing we are in now, this electrical site plan, but we didn't create it, so let me go here, right click, oh there it is. So there's our electrical site plan, and I'm going to go grab the site plan that we created just now. I'm going to find it at some point, folks. Did I put it on the coordination? No, I did not. Oh, there it is. Way up there. So this is going to be our electrical site plan. And at 1/4 of an inch. Probably should be that big, but no, we make it 1/4 of an inch. And then you go in and put your electrical equipment there. Okay. Actually, let's make it 1/8 of an inch. Or maybe 1/20, something like that. So there's our electrical site plan. There to go. So basically all those views and things that we created earlier just coming together for our drawings. So now let's go jump into our electrical drawings. So our E101, first electrical drawing is going to be our lighting plan. So I'm going to go here all the way down to sheets again, new sheet. And then I'm going to go level 1 lighting plan here. Where are my electricals? Really? There we go. So level 1 lighting plan here. Bam. And then we'll go rename this. There's okay. And then we'll go grab another sheet here. I'm gonna rename this to level 2 lighting plan. And okay. And let's go get our level 2. So our lighting plans are basically just to reflect the ceiling plans showing the light fixtures, but those are the beginning drawings here. Okay, so now let's go grab our power plans. So now we're going to go, and our power plan is going to be 201. So we're going to rename this new sheet. That one, okay. Rename this one to E201 to represent the second floor. And this will be level 1 power plan. Okay, let's spell that right. So now level 1 power plan should be made, and there it is. That's our level 1 for power plan. Power floor plan, I'm sorry. And there we go, we place it right there. So there's our power plan, and you know, we can see the light fixtures if you want. Now let's go and look at some view template stuff. Just activate this view and just go here. I'm gonna apply a view template here. And so we're all good with these, because I do want to see my light fixtures in the power plan, because they want to be shown powered up, and you will do that doing circuiting and all that stuff. So then let's go here to our next sheet. It's level 2. I'm going to run through this and get this out of the way and move on to something different, something nice and new. So, we just want to rename this to level 2 power plant. And I'm gonna say okay here. And then we're gonna take our level 2 power plan and put it here. So we've got our power plans done and our lighting plans. So now we want to go and do our systems, okay? And this will wrap this project up. So we would have done a full project. Go down here, new sheet. Check, okay. Now this one is going to be our system plan. So I'm going to rename this This is going to be a new number sequence, and I'm going to say 301 here. And this one is going to be level 1 system plan. Okay. And then we'll go up a project browser and pick up that drawing. Level 1 system floor plan, we'll go here. I may have got a few of these wrong, so there's our system floor plan for level 1. Excuse me. Do a right click here, new sheet. Just rename this to level 2 system plan. And hit OK. And it will go get that level 2 drawing system plan. Now it really helps when these blue dots, they'll tell you what's on the sheet and what's not. Okay, there's our level 2 system plan. And now we have electrical details and other drawings. So if you go at our project browser here, there are our sheets. We've got our architecturals. We've got our electricals, our mechanicals, and our structurals. This depending on what sequence you want them in, but you know, we've done a full project, working drawings. We modeled details and sections. So everybody, thanks for watching this series of videos. We're gonna move on to something else, something bigger and better. And again, please subscribe to the channel. It helps me make videos like this all the time. So, okay, everybody, goodbye for this lesson, and good luck, because I know finals are coming up. So you got a few extra here that you can use. So hey, folks, thank you again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Everybody, be safe.